In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see when a job was posted on Indeed. When you're applying for jobs, knowing when a listing was posted can give you a big advantage. Newer job postings usually have fewer applicants, which can increase your chances of getting noticed by employers. That's why it's important to check the posting date before submitting your application. To get started, go to the Indeed website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top to look for a job that matches your skills or interests. Enter a job title or keyword in the first field, and then add a location if needed. After that, click on Find Jobs to see the available listings. Once the results appear, take a closer look at each job listing. Just below the job title or company name, you'll usually see a small label that shows when the job was posted. This might say something like, "Just posted, today, 1 day ago," or a specific number of days. This gives you a quick idea of how recent the job listing is. If you want to focus only on the newest opportunities, you can use the filter options available on the page. Look for the filter labeled Date Posted, which is usually located near the top of the results. From there, you can choose options like the last 24 hours, the last 3 days, or the last 7 days. Selecting a shorter time frame helps you find fresh listings with less competition. When you click on a job to view more details, the posting date is often displayed again and within the job description page. This allows you to confirm how recent the listing is before applying. It's a good habit to prioritize newer job postings whenever possible. Applying early can sometimes increase your chances of being seen by recruiters before the position becomes highly competitive. By paying attention to when jobs are posted and using the available filters, you can make your job search more effective and focused. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.